some brine shrimp. How many people have ever had pet sea monkeys growing up? A few people? If not, don't worry, you're not missing out. It's not a pet. It's just a small shrimp-like species that these guys go crazy for. It's kind of like a steak dinner to us. Now, they kind of look like they're starving, but do not let these guys fool you. They get this along with their dessert, which we like to call fishing fruit roll-up. That's a mixture of red, green, and brown algae sheets. So if there's any sushi lovers out there, that's a lot of the coverings that you guys could get on your sushi rolls at any restaurant. Now, they get this mixture every other hour. Also, in between every other hour, they get snacks. So here in about an hour or so, you guys are going to probably come back maybe, and you guys will see clams scattered along the bottom. This is called scatter feeding. What we do is we'll toss clams in from over the top, and these guys can pick at them throughout the day, because out in the wild, they feed all day long. Now, a little later on today, they're also going to get 2 heads of bok choy lettuce. It's a type of lettuce we can go and buy at any grocery store here at Myrtle Beach. We do have some vegetarian fish. So if those fish don't get any of those algae sheets, we want to accommodate to make sure that they get fed very, very well as well. Now, on Tuesday, Thursdays, and Saturdays, those are our main feeding days here at the aquarium. So also this morning, right before we opened and you guys got here, they got a big mixture of gel pellet food and algae wafers. That's like any other fish food you guys can feed your fish at home. Now, they all know it's dessert time. That's when Jenna's going to pour out those algae sheets and she's going to disappear. That's when you guys are going to realize how many fish we have in here. We have 45 to 60 different species in here. That's roughly over 1,000 individual fish. We're not going to talk about all of them. We're just going to talk about a few of the favorites and a few of the dive team's personal favorites. So how many people have seen the movie Finding Nemo? How many parents have seen that movie way too many times you can quote it? Alright. Well, we do have Dory. She's known as a wrinkle blue tang, and normally she kind of likes to live right over there in front of that branch pool. Now, when those algae sheets come out, she tends to go towards the back of the tank, so if we can't find her, we'll look for her a little later. Now, how many people remember Bubbles? That's the little yellow guy in the dentist office that went crazy for those bubbles in that treasure chest. He's known as a yellow tank. He likes to live right in the middle of the tank. He kind of likes to be center of attention. Now, we do have Slow. That's a porcupine pufferfish, and he's actually right up here. Now he looks a little skinny, because in that movie he was expanded about every other 2 seconds of that movie. It's really good that he's small. Now, if you were to get scared, he can inhale a big mixture of air and water. He can puff up about 5 times the normal size in about 3 seconds. He would have those porcupines that stick out. Now, it's only if he gets scared, but when I do that,